How to fix Epic Games self-update failed. So first we want to exit out of Epic Games completely. Right click on our taskbar, go to Task Manager, and if you see any instances of Epic Games here, just close them, end the task. After we have done this, we want to open up our computer search for Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, and then open file location. Now here, after we have located the Epic Games Launcher, we want to right click on it, go to Properties, and here's what we do. We go to the Compatibility tab first and check this box, run this program as an administrator. Then go to the General tab, or actually the shortcut here, and we want to type this out. So I'm going to leave it as a pinned comment. After the last line here that we have with the quotation marks, click at the very last spot, leave a space, and then paste this. Dash skip build patch prerequisite. Click on apply. It might ask you for admin permissions. Click on OK, and this should fix our issue if we try to run Epic Games Launcher now. If we try to run it, click on yes, and this will load up the launcher. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.